Welcome to Anil Jindal World School. A unique co-educational day boarding school, an epitome of excellence in education, provides an ideal platform to children to acquire knowledge in the lap of nature. Surrounded by lush green fields, sprawling in 8 acres of land to provide large play areas, spacious classrooms and a variety of premium amenities. The school is 10 minutes from the main city of Jalna. The central area of the block is well maintained with the purpose of keeping the students close to the environment and helping them observe the natural changes in their surroundings. All the classrooms have an exclusive play area or mini garden at the backside which keeps them close to nature. The safety aspects have been given utmost priority. The school conforms to all safety requirements. The sports infrastructure at Anil Jindal World School is more than adequate to meet all the above-mentioned aims. The school has big and small playgrounds where students can engage themselves actively in games like cricket, hockey, athletics, basketball, etc. under the guidance of experienced physical education teachers. Open Air Theatre is a place to showcase the talents of our building actors, poets, singers and dancers. The creative streak of every child is identified and nurtured here. It accommodates about 600 students and equipped with the latest technologies in light and sound system. The institute is equipped with modern classroom and splendid furniture according to various age group. All the rooms in pre-primary block are beautifully painted on fairy tale themes. Students' work is displayed on bulletin boards to give them a sense of belonging and pride. Visual performing arts. We have fully equipped art, dance and music studio to brush the talent of our students. There is a huge toy and book library catering to the kids. It is a new generation toy library with latest collection of toys, books, games and VCDs to select from. We have a wide collection of toys including educational, wooden, board games, puzzles, blocks, musical toys, electronics toys and interactive CDs. Our book collection comprises of encyclopedias, fairy tales, character building stories, educational books, pre-primary collection, moral stories, mythological tales, informative books, phonics books, worksheets, and many more. There are fully equipped science, mathematics, information and communication laboratories (ICT) equipped with the latest technology, interactive boards, projectors, and proper project display areas for ensuring an exciting and pleasant study environment. The students are also provided with the multi-purpose indoor hall. This hall with viewing galleries acts as venue for both sporting and cultural activities. Popular films are also aired in the place. The toddlers' playground area includes swings and slides and various other structures to improve coordination skill and overall health improvement. It is a unique concept introduced in the school which gives children the opportunity to learn by doing using various kinds of educational apparatus. Now we are entering the architecturally design administration block, which consists of school reception area with large and spacious sitting area for the visitors along with adjoining chairman cabin, accounts office and conference hall. The school building and premises has been designed with the philosophy and construct learning all the times. The building itself as the learning aid. The structures, walls, trees, toys and even empty spaces are planned to add value in learning process. The school plan ensures the perfect learning environment. Enough illumination, ventilation, low noise level are taken care of. Meals are served on campus. The best quality of milk and vegetables are used to prepare vegetarian meals in hygienic kitchens of the school cafeteria. The cafeteria menu offers no junk food but wholesome meals including green vegetables as advised by the school dietitian.